OnePlus isn't taking any chances. The Chinese phone maker's new phone, the OnePlus 7 Pro, is jam-packed with features and starts at just $670. Though it's the company's priciest phone to date, it's still notably cheaper than the budget options of Samsung and Apple. Let's start with the screen. Most phones have a refresh rate of 60 frames per second. But because the OnePlus 7 Pro refreshes at 90 frames a second, things like scrolling through web pages and apps feel really smooth, like they have a bit of spring in their step. Compared to the previous OnePlus 6T, graphic-heavy games like PUBG look a bit more fluid and silky. The difference isn't necessarily night and day, but if you're a gamer, you'll definitely appreciate the extra clarity and smoothness. Overall, the phone looks fantastic. The front-facing camera is inside the phone, which I'll talk about later. I do have to say though that the phone is heavy and big. The OnePlus 6T was already difficult to maneuver with one hand, and the OnePlus 7 Pro is now taller and heavier by 0.77 ounces. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but I can definitely feel its weightiness when I take a picture with one hand or carry it around day to day. The phone has an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 48-megapixel standard shooter, and an 8-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x zoom. Photos are bright and vibrant, and I'm impressed with the camera's HDR rendering. At times, it took better low-light photos than the Pixel 3's night sight, and the phone managed to zoom in at faraway objects clearly and steadily. With the wide-angle camera, you can fit way more content in each frame, and the OnePlus 7 Pro takes great portrait shots too. One novel thing about the phone is its front-facing camera. It's embedded inside the phone and pops up from the top. If you happen to drop the phone, the camera will quickly pop back inside. Oh, and the 16-megapixel camera can take portrait shots as well. Two new software features include screen recording, which allows you to record and save video of your screen. Zen mode is also new, and it essentially makes all aspects of your phone inaccessible for 20 minutes. Save for making emergency calls and taking photos, Zen mode is supposed to help curb phone usage, so you can't open apps, make personal calls, or even swipe through the screen until the timer is up. Powered by a Snapdragon 855 chipset, the phone is fast and great for gameplay. On benchmark tests, it performed as well as the Galaxy S10e, but couldn't quite edge out the iPhone XR. The phone's battery capacity is also bumped up from last year to accommodate the bigger screen and higher refresh rate. But while it does have an excellent battery life, it didn't outlast the OnePlus 6T. Speaking of the battery, the phone charges fast. Its charging technology Warp Charge juiced up a fully drained OnePlus 7 Pro to 42% in only 15 minutes. And a full charge took about an hour and 20 minutes. The OnePlus 7 Pro doesn't have a few things its competitors have. It doesn't have wireless charging, and it doesn't have an IP rating for water resistance. Irregardless, it's still a high-end phone without the high-end price. You can still snag a 256 gig variant for just $700, which is still less than the Galaxy S10e, the Pixel 3, and the iPhone XR. In general, the OnePlus 7 Pro is one of the best phones you can get, not only for its price, but period.